This is a drip pipe. It's a drip pipe for urinals. It has a valve. It has a gate valve where you open it, and then water. When you open, you can see those indications: open and shut. Yeah, when you open, then of course water will come. As you see, the way how it's made. See it, how it's made. See how it's made. See, and if you notice, there's end cap here. So there's a corner end cap. Let's see the clips. So this clip, it causes to hold the pipe. You see, it's tight. It's tight. So one, and the end here. Now we want to open. And see how it works. Full. That's full. Now here you see how it's pouring water. So in this pipe there's hose that I put. There's hose, and those hoses allow water to come, to go through it. So there's different hoses. You see them? These ones. And there's different hoses which allows water to come. Means the whole face. See. Sloping. So that's water sloping. So it's good. Comparative system. So that water, it helps to clean all the urine that is poured down when people are done using, instead of wasting water. So wasting a lot of water, so we open that, so it saves water. Instead of coming with big buckets and pouring, so there's a lot of water going, but here we save water. You can use one bucket to flush all this. Yeah, this is connected to the tank. As you see, there's a pipe coming from the tank. The supply pipe from the tank coming here. So it's a good system. And now all the urine is gone. No bad smell. Yeah. No bad smell. So now we want to close our valve. Put the valve back. We are shutting it. We are shutting the valve. Yeah, so it's a legit valve from Gentex. Now it's shut, and you see all the water. These holes will stop bringing water. You see? Stop bringing water. good one. Yeah, good one. And sit down is clean. The one is clean. It's really good. A good system for schools, public places, or public urinals. So restaurants. Yeah. So this is a good. It's a good system that anyone can have. Just a pipe, get a pipe, a PPR pipe, make holes there, get a clip, have a PPR machine, roll the pipes, clip them on the wall, and then get a valve, then connect from the tank outlet. So you really enjoy this. You really enjoy this.